Hello and welcome. Today you're watching one of the most wanted videos of baby care. We're gonna make 3 ubtans, 2 for the baby, 1 for the mummy, and 1 home remedy to get rid of the body hair. I'd suggest the fathers to make these ubtans, not only so that they can participate in baby care, but also actually because they're good at it. Okay, but now here's the bubble burst. These ubtans that we're going to make in this video, they are purely to improve the texture of the skin, to moisturize the ever so delicate skin of our little one, but not to change their complexion. I'm sorry, there is no such ubtan ever made. Take it from me, because I have a degree on it, complexion is genetic. And if you still feel this way, you are likely to pass that feeling onto your child one day and damage her own self-esteem. So if you want to do one more kind thing for your little one, try to distance yourself from this belief. Because ubtan is not going to change your baby's character, personality, talents, nature. But yes, it's definitely going to change the texture or quality of their skin. And even yours, because remember, 1 ubtan is for you. Okay, so now if you are cool on this, let's begin. Okay, so which ubtan shall we make first? Baby or mommy? Did you say baby? Cool. So, baby ubtan number 1.
All you need is some gram flour, equal amount of split lentil flour, little bit of turmeric powder and some milk or cream.
It's too much in the morning, right? Massage time, then give a bath, dress them up, make the ubtan in that proportion every day. So let's save some time. What I do is I mix all the 3, besan, masoor dal, ataa and haldi proportionately, and I've made it and I've put it in this airtight jar. Every time my son has to go for a bath, I just take a scoop of it, add milk or malai in it, and I'm good to go. So moving on to ubtan number 2. Had a sandwich for breakfast? Why not leave a slice for the little one? Don't worry, I'm not asking you to feed your baby that bread, but we are going to make an instant ubtan with that. Yes, you heard me right. All you need is
some bread and milk.
Alright, moving on to mom time. An ubtan for the mom. Basically, it is just the same as ubtan number 1, except that instead of using masoor dal ataa, we are going to use neem leaf powder. Because neem leaf will soothe the itching around the stretched skin, and also it will prevent skin infections. Now let's make the dough roll or atta loy for the lanugo. Now, lanugo means the fine, soft hair that covers our LO's body in the womb. So it's basically fetal hair. Okay, and full-term babies tend to have less of this lanugo because it starts shedding towards the due date, and they ingest those hair. Yeah, that explains why your little one's first poo is black, which is called meconium. So let's roll. Make the ataa roll. All you need is some wheat flour, some milk, and any oil. Coconut, olive, almond, not cooking oil. Just add them together and start kneading. Rubbing this ataa loyi or wheat flour roll will help in improving blood circulation and remove toxins. Just simply start kneading. Honestly speaking, I never used this on my son, though he was hairy, because the truth is that as your baby grows, the hair falls farther apart and you barely notice them. And so rubbing this roll will not permanently remove their hair. Even if some hair fall off, they'll grow back. But if you still want to do this, make sure you observe your little one's skin for any rash, or if it gets red while you're rubbing it, even the ubtan for that matter. And if that happens, then just stop and speak to your pediatrician. So you need to make something like this. You could use the roll that you make for chapati and the lunch. Just take some oil on your palm and rub this over it again. Now what you need to do is rub this over your baby's dry skin. Okay, gentle pressure, gradually. If it turns red, stop rubbing it. Okay, this way you can give your baby some soft, nice vaccine. Let's answer some questions now. But I'll give you a moment to hit that like button and subscribe if you still have it. Done? So, question number 1. When shall we start using this ubtan? After the umbilical cord falls off. Question number 2. Which milk should be used? Any. Cows or buffaloes. Not formula, not breast milk. Question number 3, when to apply? Well, I follow a simple routine for my son which has saved him from ever getting a rash or reaction. It's very simple. Give an oil massage and bathe it off with the ubtan, as if the ubtan is a body wash. Don't worry, I have videos on baby massage and bath time routine. You can check them out and you'll see how you can use this ubtan as a body wash. Wow, I can't wait for you to use these ubtans, and give me your feedback. Help me improve for the sake of other mommies. And we'll meet soon. Take care and give my super love to your little one.